Hi children, today we'll be learning about a new topic for our science. So today's topic is about animals that lay eggs and animals that give birth. Now let's look at the first animal. Yes, the first animal is a cow. So children, cows give birth to baby cows. Alright, now let's look at the second animal. The second animal is a chicken. Chicken lays egg, and after the egg, it will hatch into a chick. Now children, let's watch this video. Now children, let's look at goose. Goose lays eggs, and after the eggs hatch, it will be a gosling. Alright children, can you guess whether sheep lays eggs or give birth? Alright, sheep give birth to their babies, and babies of sheep are called as lambs. Alright children, let's learn about horse. Horse gives birth, and the baby of the horse is called a colt. Alright children, the last animal is a duck. Duck lays eggs, and when the eggs hatch, it will be a duckling. Okay children, so chicken, goose and ducks, they lay eggs. Wow children, let's look at the sizes of goose, duck and chicken's egg. Now, let's look at the goose egg. It's so big, right? The size of a goose egg is like your parents' palm. So children, we have learned that horses, cows and sheep give birth to their babies, right? Okay children, we have come to the end of this lesson. So I hope that you enjoyed the lesson, and I'll see you soon. Bye!